Guys, we have some exciting news. Bitcoin retail buyers are back. And you know what that means? If retail interest is back, that means altcoins may be ready to pump. If you look at this glorious chart here for 2024, you can see that since January 1st, the Bitcoin spot trading BTC volume per day has shot up almost 680%. 6.9 billion on January 1st, New Year's Day, all the way to 50.6 billion. And you can see it's a straight ways up. January 1st, 6.9, January 31st, 12.2, February 29th, 31.8, March 5th, 50.6. So the excitement is back. And remember, these spot traders are not ETF traders. They are people that are buying on Coinbase, Binance, etc. Yes, they are still sending some Bitcoin to Coinbase, which means some of them are actually looking to take profit, but they also might be selling Bitcoin into altcoins, which is kind of what we're hoping for. And that's really, really good. But the outflows from exchanges to Bitcoins is still really great, which means a lot of people are taking Bitcoin off the exchanges as well. So the year-to-date record trading volume coincided with a new all-time high in daily inflows for the spot Bitcoin exchange funds. So obviously, the ETFs are affecting all of this. They're getting people to actually buy. But remember, BlackRock and Co. are probably not buying spot. They are buying OTC because that's what BlackRock does. And they are basically exciting people to buy and buy more Bitcoin. Some people might actually be buying the ETF, and then they're seeing the massive ETF inflows. And from that, they might be persuaded to buy some Bitcoin spot market as well. But these spot market buyers are much likely to be altcoin buyers as well. And you know that sooner or later, they're going to be looking for higher returns than what Bitcoin can give them. So they're going into smaller coins. So right now, due to all this data, I think it is a great time to actually buy altcoins. Now, if you've seen since the beginning of the year, altcoins have not fallen against Bitcoin in terms of Bitcoin dominance. The dominance has been around slightly above 50 for quite a while now. So we're not losing against Bitcoin for us altcoin buyers. And I do think that will reverse where we're gaining a lot on Bitcoin very, very soon because the spot buyers are in. And if the spot buyers are in, that means the altcoin market is ready to be very, very hot. And that's because, like I said, the majority of people in crypto, I would say, especially in the spot market, are gamblers. And gamblers like to play big stakes, so they're going to be going into altcoins. Yes, there is Bitcoin leverage, but in my opinion, altcoins are actually safer than leverage because in altcoins, the only thing that can happen is the altcoin can go to zero. You don't really run the risk of being completely forced out of your position before you want to be out of your position. So this is great news, and that just means the bull market is finally about to begin in earnest, especially for the altcoins. Altcoins have been keeping up with Bitcoin, but with this inflow of money from retail investors, I believe altcoins are definitely going to start to go up more than Bitcoin itself. So that's very, very good news for us. I think you've already seen it with meme coins, but now get ready to see it from other coins as well, because I think that will play very, very well. And a crypto scoundrel has been pumping a meme coin. And the meme coin I'm talking about is Mady, but it's not the coin. They're actually pumping the NFTs. And the scoundrel I'm talking about is Zhu. And Zhu, if that name sounds familiar, it's because he is the disgraced founder of blown up and destroyed crypto investing company or crypto funding company 3AC, and that died because of Terra Luna. So he is causing the Mady NFT bull run. So it's the NFT thing. They've gone over $19,000 a piece. Over 3,339 other worth of Mady NFTs were traded in the past few days. The increase comes in part due to promotion by Su Zhu, co-founder of bankrupt Singaporean hedge fund 3AC. Now, I don't really know why anyone would actually listen to Su Zhu, because I definitely wouldn't listen to Su Zhu since he, like bankrupted 3AC by investing in like really bad crap like Terra Luna, in fact, going all in on it. So I'm not really sure why people are listening to him when he's promoting another NFT collection. NFT collections, I mean, for me, are basically garbage, but some of them could actually accrue value because, they're kind of like trading hot tickets right now. And he's saying like, yo, what up, Mady fam? Had to sweep some Mladies after hearing you have the best memes in Web3. Yeah, I don't know, buying meme JPEGs for $19,000 does not sound like a very sound plan. This guy is probably looking for a lot of exit liquidity, so he's hoping that everyone's buying Mlady. Is Mlady still a thing? Anyways, hell yeah, let's see what this community is all about. It's Moontime, my Daygens, wag me NFT sisters, or whatever. This is kind of cringe for him to actually say this kind of stuff, but this did pump Mlady a lot. And I think the crypto itself has actually followed the Mlady NFTs because I do think the cryptos have actually followed the Mlady NFTs because Mlady crypto is up like 50% too. So basically, Su Zhu is pumping everything that's related to Mlady. Now, will this actually continue? No, I don't think it will continue. I mean, they are just kind of like random JPEG NFTs that are costing over $19,000. Obviously, he probably bought a bunch of them, so he's pumping the hell out of them to sell them for profit. I don't know if he still owes money because of the 3AC thing. I think Zhu Su should be brought to justice too, but it does not look like that's going to happen. So essentially, like, the Mlady thing has been pumped by famous people before as well, because they pumped 5,000%, over 5,000% in 24 hours before because of Elon Musk, because he tweeted a meme using the imagery of Mlady NFT. So Mlady is another one of these garbage NFT collections, in my opinion, that is basically riding off of hype and, of course, celebrity endorsement. Now, Su Zhu should not be a celebrity that anyone actually listens to, but it seems like people really, really like getting wrecked. So they're probably going to get wrecked by him again. And you know what? They're going to get wrecked and they're going to like it because that's exactly who they are. So that's the deal with Mlady NFTs. Not my thing, but maybe your thing. Definitely not my thing, though. And of course, we have to mention once more that Salana has pumped due to Pantera. Now, for those of you that missed my earlier stream, Pantera offered to buy FTX's Salana for $250 million. Now, the catch is they're buying them at under 50% of the market price. I think like 39% of the market price, but they have to hold on to it for 4 years before they sell. Now, this is okay for Salana investors. Actually, it's quite good because that means that giant glob of Salana is not going to be sold until at least the next bull run. So is it a long-term investment, a short-term investment? It's at least long enough term for the next 4 years, according to this, because I doubt they're going to let the coin go to zero before they can cash out on $250 million of Salana, which is really like $700 million of Salana if you take in the discount they're actually buying at. They're getting a very, very good deal on Sol. And you know what? This could work for Sol investors as well. So yeah, that's actually pretty exciting. I think Salana is actually a pretty good investment, especially after that, because they're not going to let it drop before 4 years is up. That's a big, big investment from Pantera. That means Pantera has confidence in Salana for at least another 4 years, if not longer. And I think that is why Salana is actually up $144 to $144 today. It went up almost to around 150, dumped back a couple of points, but I think Salana is in a really good position. I think a lot of the questions surrounding Salana are, is it going to rug pull soon? Is it going to rug pull soon? And it seems like the answer to the is it going to rug pull soon question has been answered, and the answer is not at least for another 4 years. And folks, 4 years is quite a long time. So Salana is actually worth a gander if you're looking for something decent to buy. Maybe not great, but decent, because Salana has pumped up a lot. It's more than 1/2 its all-time high value. So I think like Salana, the top value for SOL will probably be like $1,000 if we're optimistic. I think if we're a little bit pessimistic, more realistic, maybe $500. That's still more than 3x, but you can get a lot more than 3x from crypto. Even if you invest from here on out, if you invest in other coins, I believe. But Salana might be on the safer side of investments. I know that's weird to hear, but it might be on the safer side of investments because of Pantera's confidence in Salana and the fact that it has to keep going for at least another 4 years in order for Pantera to cash out. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.